Hello and welcome to the Visionless Designs YouTube channel. So I've been bugged by my daughter to do a reintroduction to the channel because the first one was apparently terrible and she wants to do more videos. So I'm going to reintroduce myself. So my name's Damien Devereux. I'm a blind woodworker. Lost my sight 7 years ago. Beforehand I was a forester, so I was cutting down trees into making them into things like this here. So after I lost my sight, because of how much I loved woodworking, I figured, you know what, I'll start making furniture out of it, and I start finding ways of how someone with zero eyesight can still do things like this. So I figured the channel's going to go through all the things I make and all the equipment I use, and how someone in my condition uses them. So yeah, it's looking like things from the bandsaw here, extractor over there, the thickness sander here, whee, thickness planer, and the lathe, drill presses. I've got a lot of tools. There's a lot of things I require to help me do, turn all the wonderful slabs like this into wonderful things like I have in the room here. So this is my treatment room, and these are some orders that are due to go out. I've got a bench with a back and a custom bench and a small table as well. And should have 2 tables on the edges as well. So yeah, a lot of people like these. It's actually the tables in here that got me into doing this business, as I made about 22 of them for mine and my wife's wedding, which we had on our 10th anniversary. So yeah, a lot of people are so impressed with them. Like, why don't you turn it into a business? Because they're amazing as they are, never mind being done by a blind person. So that's where things kind of kicked off. I'll just show the other section as well. So this is the treatment room in here, and then this is the storage area. Come through the camera, come through, cameraman, come on. And these through, I think. Right, and then I've got more furniture in here, some more of the tables. I think there's a chair here. Someone's left a tarp there, Draven. Yeah, so I've got the benches and all the furniture in here. I've got a stacking system that I made in the corner over there. There's a video of how to make that. And yeah, there's also a series I've been doing on a wood kiln I've been making. It's actually pretty much finished now. I've done a trial load. Just needs a few tweaks, but there's a lot of people that are interested in that. So hopefully this series will be interesting to some people. Again, there's going to be product reviews on all the big tools and small ones from my perspective. So yeah, please subscribe to the channel. Check out my website, visionlessdesigns.com. There you'll find links to the Etsy pages, Instagram and Facebook. So hopefully we'll see lots of you in future videos. There'll be, the plan is to do a product review once a week, big and small, so small little tools and then big tools. A building vlog of me making things like the kiln or the wood stacking frame I've got in here, as well as videos on individual products I've made in here. So hopefully it'll be 3 videos a week. It may fluctuate. I am trying to not do too many, but also not do too few. So we'll see how it all goes. So thanks again, and see you in future videos.